Hello everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. In this video, I will show you how to export your Google passwords so you can safely download and keep a backup of the passwords saved in your Google account. Now let's get started. Step 1, open Google Chrome on your computer and look at the top right corner of the browser. Here you will see your profile icon, or you can click the three-dot menu if the profile icon is not visible. Step 2, after clicking the menu or profile section, find and click on Password and Autofill. Then select Google Password Manager from the available options. Google Password Manager is the place where all your saved website usernames and passwords are securely stored. Step 3, once Google Password Manager opens, look at the left side menu and click on Settings, as shown in this guide. The Settings section contains important options related to managing and controlling your saved passwords. Step 4. Inside the Settings page, find the option called Export Passwords. Next to this option, click Download File to start the export process. This will create a file containing all the passwords saved in your Google Password Manager. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel.